Another one to the day. With your bullet, the day. Oh, what is not your bullet? Bullet. What? Wo bá bó ṣe jáde lẹ́yìn TV yẹn lélẹ̀. Àwòrán. Ẹ̀wò onígbàgbọ́ gbúdọ̀ ṣé o ká máa gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. So another ọjọ́ ọ̀tá ìbọn náà ti lórí hàn ládìsàlẹ̀. Wà á ti rí wọ́n ti mọ̀ báyìí o kẹ́ máa bá wa síta ni o tàwa dẹ̀ tún rí àjẹkẹ́ mọ̀ wọn jẹ́ ká rí o. Ṣílà ló fi ń ta ọtí tún lè lè rárá tó fi ń ta kóòkì. Wọ́n máa fọ́ ọ. Gbogbo ògiri everything ọ̀tá ìbọn lè rárá TV o. Wọ́n tún lè sọ pé ìfìsọ́ ta ìbọn lórí rárá. Ọ̀tá ìbọn lè o. Ẹ̀yà kan máa mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni tó wá ní pé bàbá òun ní sòun náà ní lójú oorun o.
Come talk to us.
Enter. Okay. Enter government. Okay. Enter.
So for your own now, not be only about answers. Now also about bad governance and other things where they happen.
We want justice.
Justice for.
So help us God. So enter government. Enter politician. And everything.
So my people, this is na Sarki Yaki Road for Kano, and now where the protesters originally for the plans they want to start the protest, but unfortunately the security people will not allow them to start from here. But so I don't go down now, do what they don't do. They don't come back to combat for this place. We be saying that be their original meeting point. So they wait for their leaders now to come and talk to them.
Government ambassadors.
Hold on.
Hey, off your music, guys. Oh, go bring music. I bring music now. They bring music on here. Yes.
God bless you, my brother. God bless you. God bless you.
Microphone. Who get this photo? You.
Answers, my brother.
Wait. Your brother on SARS?
No.
Your brother on waiting?
Nah, my brother is sitting there.
Okay, you been on Trump. Yes.
features. They protect the wicked ones and kill the good ones.
We are tired. We are tired. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are tired. They killed our brothers. We are tired. Their children are not in this nation. That is why they are rubbish in this nation. Their children are not here. We are tired. We are tired. Buhari should resign.
We are fucking tired.
Buhari should resign.
We don't need them.
We are tired. Buhari is older than Nigeria.
Either they like it or not. Either they like it or not.
Da Hausa nake magana, to muna son YouTube, ba mu son kowa ma ci wari. Yawa yanzu YouTube ke son kokarwa. Very, very important. Violence that's known by the citizens manifest. Our life and our unity come first. They have been embezzling money and we talk like they have been doing us as slave and falling so many money. This is beyond SARS. This is not just SARS. We started with SARS and we will go into the government. We want to create a policy that no man who contests for presidency that is above 65 years old. We want youth. We are the one that will rule Nigeria. You understand? See, we are not ignorant in protesting. We are protesting with our wisdom and with our knowledge. We want a country where the government will know they are serving us. We are not serving them. They are there to serve us. We are the government. We are not the government. And if they don't do it right, we will impeach them by force. We will remove them. That's what we are doing right now. And without the support of anybody, we are enough and we have one voice. I want to see, let the government hear this. And this one, my name is John Paul, they should know it.
No election 2023. Nigeria still won't contest. I tell you, no election 2023. When they tell Buhari, no election 2023 for old men, if you are going to go to the house, to pay your house, go sleep.
We are tired of the oppression. We are tired. Hey, I didn't tell you.
So what you go tell us why you come up for this protest today? Talk to us more. Why you joined this protest today? Now what? This one go help. This one go help fast.
Oh yeah, you will lead us.
So, Nafi, tell us why we come up for this protest today.
We came to protest. We want the government to do us so that they will end SARS and end police brutality. We are tired. We are tired of seeing our people being killed. We are tired of no lies, SARS. No security, no to bad government, and no to police brutality. End SARS.
But personally, do any of you know anybody that was affected by police brutality? Do you have anybody?